Alright, so the reason you probably clicked on this video is because you're a gamer, but even if you're not, you're still gonna learn something from this video. So these are 50 vocabulary words that every gamer should know. We're using Modern Warfare 3 to learn those words together.
Buscar y destruir. Aseguremos nuestros objetivos.
First, we have one of my most favorite game modes, and that's Search and Destroy. Buscar y destruir. This is a pretty direct translation. Next, we have aseguremos nuestro objetivo. And aseguremos is let's secure. Asegurar is the verb. Aseguremos is the subjunctive form of that verb. Nuestro is our. Objetivo is objective. So, aseguremos nuestro objetivo. Let's secure our objective.
Hay que plantar una carga en el objetivo y detonarlo.
So first we have hay que, which hay que is used to say you have to, but more like in a general sense. Because if you want to say you specifically have to, you would just say tienes que. But hay que is more like one has to. So you have to or one has to. Plantar una carga. Plant a charge. Plantar is to plant. Carga is charge. En el objetivo, on the objective. Y detonarlo, and detonate it. So you have to plant the charge on the objective and detonate it.
Dispositivo listo. Inicia cuenta regresiva.
Dispositivo listo. Device ready. Inicia cuenta regresiva. Start the countdown. More directly, regressive count, but it's just countdown.
Cambio de bando.
This one's pretty straightforward. Cambio de bando. Change sides. Bando means side, faction, or party. And cambio comes from the verb cambiar, meaning to change.
Defendamos.
Defendamos comes from defender, which means to defend. Very similar to English. But defendamos is the subjunctive form of that verb, meaning let's defend. Next is copiado. Copiado means copy. UAV en posición. UAV is the UAV score streak in Modern Warfare 3. In posición, in position. Copy, UAV in position.
Atención, bomba desactivada.
Defusing.
Ganamos esa ronda.
Atención, attention. And like the guy said, bomb defused. Bomba desactivada, or bomb desactivated. Ganamos esta ronda. We win this round. Ganamos is the we form of the verb ganar, which means to win. Esta ronda is this round.
Bomba hostil en alfa.
So previously we've gone over bomba, but hostil means hostile. So hostile bomb in alpha. Bomba hostil in alpha.
Perdimos esa ronda. Preparémonos para la siguiente.
Perdimos esta ronda. Perdimos comes from the verb perder, which means to lose. But since it's in the past tense, we have perdimos, saying we lost. Esta ronda, like before, this round. Preparémonos para la siguiente. Preparemos means let's prepare. Nos is ourselves. So preparémonos is let's prepare ourselves. Then we have para la siguiente, for the following, or for the next.
Cambiando cargadores.
Tomamos la delantera.
Lanzando granada.
Cambiando cargadores. Cambiando is changing. Cargadores is the word for mags. Tomamos la delantera. We're taking the front. Lanzando granada. Launching grenade.
Estoy herida.
Movimiento enemigo detectado.
Como nueva.
Enemigos dentro del
Granada
perímetro.
aturdidora.
This one you can just use in life, not even video games. Estoy herida. I'm wounded. So if you're ever wounded in any situation, this is what you say. Next, granada aturdidora. This is a concussion grenade.
Listo para salir. Área
Necesito
actualizada.
munición.
This one's a very useful one, and it's necesito munición. Necesito comes from the verb necesitar, meaning to need. Necesito means I need, and munición means ammunition or ammo.
Voy a entrar. Despejado.
Now this word right here has to be one of my favorite words to say when playing a video game, and that's despejado. And basically the word just means clear, but not clear like claro. Despejado means clear like clearing a room. So if you cleared a room in a situation like this in a shooting game, you would say despejado.
Bajando la escalera, lado sur.
Tiradores, el enemigo está lanzando un pájaro de ataque.
Entendido, estamos atentos.
Visores fuera.
Tiradores. El enemigo está lanzando un pájaro de ataque. So we have the word tiradores, which means shooters. El enemigo está lanzando. The enemy is launching un pájaro de ataque. And un pájaro de ataque is an attack chopper. That's the more natural translation for that. We wouldn't necessarily say attack bird. Shooters, the enemy is launching an attack chopper. Now, you have the confidence to go in any first-person shooter with a Spanish speaker and know exactly what they're saying. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.